On Friday, a weak cold front approaches South Africa, and ahead of that front, we're expecting some cloud with light showers and fog along the west coast, as well as foggy patches in parts of Mpumalanga. The front's quickly weakening, only to bring in some cloud, wind and light showers for the southwestern areas. Otherwise, lots of sunshine and much warmer across South Africa, with only isolated thunderstorms likely in parts of the Northern Cape. Therefore, you can expect a peak performance on your solar panels on Friday for most parts of the country, except for here in the west ahead of that front. Lots of cloud and isolated showers are likely since early. A few thunderstorms also likely to bubble up here over the West Coast district and parts of the Little Crew. And then later, isolated thunderstorms mainly into the evening, moving over parts of the Northern Cape. And due to that weak cold front, very light showers likely over the southwestern coast. A strong northeasterly wind blows Eastern Cape throughout Friday. A level 2 warning in place for damage and winds over the coastal towns. Later, a mainly northerly wind picking up over the western interior, and that's also where the South African Weather Service is warning against runaway fires. In the Western Cape, ahead of that front, a few light showers likely over the west coast, and due to an area of convergence, thunderstorms also possible ahead of that front, moving here over parts of the Swartland, as well as reaching the Little Crew, and there's a slight chance of a thunderstorm moving over parts of the Garden Route. Extremely hot and windy in Beaufort West as well as Graaff-Reinet. The mercury soaring above 40 degrees due to berg winds ahead of that front in the Eastern Cape. Also soaring above 40 in Adelaide, close to 40 in Kumani, Bishu, Aliwal North and Kua. It's an extremely hot day in the Eastern Cape with the northeasterly winds blowing strong along the coast. Lots of sunshine and warmer on Friday in KwaZulu-Natal with maximum temperatures in the upper 20s along the coast and above 30 degrees over the northern areas as well as the interior. Foggy at first over the high veld of Mpumalanga, otherwise a mainly sunny and warmer Friday, with temperatures also reaching the upper 20s over the high veld. Cloudy at first with a few drops of morning drizzle along the eastern escarpment in Limpopo, otherwise warming up the afternoon with temperatures around 30 degrees for the low veld and above 30 degrees in the bushveld. In northwest, it's sunny, hot and dry, with maximum temperatures above 30 degrees. Ahead of that cold front, a band of cloud with a few isolated showers or even thunderstorm likely here over parts of the west coast as well as Namakwaland, 26 in Springbok, and quickly heating up, becoming windy. The Weather Service warning against runaway fires with isolated storms likely over Upington all the way to Dar. It's a sunny and mainly dry day for the Free State, windy over the west with temperatures soaring to the mid-30s. Lots of sunshine on Friday in Gauteng. It's also warmer with 28 in Johannesburg and 30 degrees in Pretoria. And then overnight into the weekend, we're expecting some light rain here along the coast as well as cooler conditions and showers spreading into the Eastern Cape. Unfortunately, heatwave conditions also returning to large parts of northwest the Free State. This includes Gauteng and parts of Limpopo, with heatwave conditions continuing up until at least next week, Tuesday, in those areas. On Sunday, you can see temperatures yet again soaring to the mid and upper 30s over parts of northwest as well as the high veld. But that onshore flow will push in cooler conditions for the rest of the Eastern Cape and later showers reaching KwaZulu-Natal. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.
The Stage Zero Volta 40, a small portable power station with big potential. Keep your devices connected for 4 hours during outages. Simple, effective, essential. Stay connected.